Hello, we are presenting our electric scooter stroller brand called Strolleaz.
We observe that a lot of parents have the problem with their strollers. Indeed, stroller can slow down parents due to the heavy weight, inconvenient to carry, and working parents need more accessible and fast means to move around the city and to transport their children. The raise of customer environmental awareness leads us to think about an environmental friendly product. And we conducted analysis of electric scooter industry as well as different ways to transport children, such as the cargo bikes and the skateboard attachment scooters. We realized that we could mix these two ideas to create our new brand, collapsible and easy to charge, safe. Our product also avoids constraints linked to car use, like the oil price, car insurance expenses, and traffic congestion.
Now we take a look at the market positioning. We have found 6 suitable main competitors which we placed on the map in terms of price and quality. Coolbets and the White Stroller bike are both high-class products, but they are also very expensive. The White Stroller bike, for example, costs around 3,000 to 4,000 euro, which is far beyond our product. The Targa bike and the Seagull Carrier bicycle, they are both not such expensive as the other two just mentioned, but each are around 1,500 euro, so they are still expensive. Bobtail is one of our cheapest competitors. It is a skateboard attachment stroller, but it's not electric. Our biggest competitor is the stroller bike from Copilot. It is similar in price to our product, but our product is characterized by high quality at a reasonable price for today's middle class. Besides, our product is electric, it is easy to transport, and it's faster than other electric scooters. And it also protects children from the sun and rain, which we don't have, for example, at the Targa bike. Strolleaz is something innovative and sophisticated, and it's also eco-friendly. It supplies electricity through solar energy.
So Strolleaz aims to help parents in their everyday life. Hence, our main target are young parents between 30 and 35 years old who are doing a lot of activities and who need to move around quickly and easily with their children. Due to our price, our target should belong to the middle upper class. Our product is not affordable for everyone, but compared to our competitors, the price is not so high. And finally, the people we are targeting are eco-friendly and they want to find an alternative to the car.
So the brand identity of Strolleaz is defined by 3 aspects: the brand name, the slogan, and our logo. So with our positioning and targeting markets in mind, we started to create our brand name. First, we were sure that we wanted to use a word related with kids or babies, and we finally agreed that stroller was a good option because it directly connects to children and the idea of mobility, so stroller. And then we also wanted to express our most distinctive feature to make parents' mobility easier, so easy, and it became Strolleaz. The fact that our product is convenient for the parents and comfortable for the children is expressed with the word cozy in our slogan, and we also wanted to express the idea of mobility again in our slogan, so our slogan became the cozy way to move around. To create our brand identity and our mood board, we focused on family, kids, nature, speed, and comfort.
The last aspect of the brand identity is our logo. In order to create the Strolleaz logo, we drew different shapes and looked at different images and finally came up with a feather. A feather is a shape that's very easygoing, comfortable, and light, which we all wanted to represent in our logo. So as you can see here, we have the shape of a feather, which scoops underneath the wording to show that it's comfortable for the baby, and continues on afterwards to show movement for a parent's active lifestyle. The next aspect we looked at were the colors. We chose light gray and blue for the logo to show a sense of dependability, calmness, and trustworthiness, all things that are important to parents when choosing what brand you want to use for your child. Lastly, we chose the font for the wording. The font we used is simple and thin to show that our product is just that simple to use and convenient for parents.
Advertisements are very important when promoting a brand or a product, and is one of the easiest ways to promote things to customers. By using visuals, it helps customers to recognize the brand and then the logo as well. This advert here displays something that maybe people don't always think of. When they think of the typical parent pushing a stroller, most people would probably think of a woman. However, in this advert, the fathers are displayed as stay-at-home dads are becoming the norm and are becoming much more common in today's world. And by showing the dads in our advert, it is saying that our brand is promoting and accepting of this new change. The picture itself is somewhat comical and will catch the eye and will hopefully get people talking about it. Moving on to our second advertisement, the cool blue tones show dependability and therefore safety. Along with that, the wave-like accent and the body movement of the mother show movement itself. It depicts a mother on the move, but just because she has a busy lifestyle and a kid does not mean that she should give up living healthy and being active. Instead, it is promoting a healthy lifestyle and showing that just because you have things to do doesn't mean you have to drive a car and not be able to move. Our final advert shows a reality of parenting: exhaustion. With a new child, it can sometimes seem almost impossible to get out of the house. However, with Strolleaz, life is made simpler and it's easier for parents to do so. As the advert states, parenting is hard and is not an easy thing to do. But even that, if that's true, the colors and tones of the pictures are very neutral and gray, and they promote a very calming picture